Hey, what's up? Alan here from Damn Good Reviews, where our goal is to help you make better buying decisions. Today we're checking out the gaming headset by the brand Jeecoo. This is the Xiberia V20. Pretty cool. You'll see it has the normal, headphone there with a microphone attachment. Pretty typical gaming headset that you may have seen. Now this supposedly works with Nintendo, I believe also Xbox and PC. So we really want to check it out. And there's a wide range of gaming headsets out there, ones that, sell for as little as $20. And I've seen ones that are also could be a few $100s. I believe this is a wired version. So, yep, there's a wire on the bottom. So this is not a Bluetooth or wireless version. So if you're cool with having a wire, this is what we're going to check out. So it talks about it has 50mm drivers, soft ear pads, which is always nice. My biggest thing is some of the ear pads on some other of the less expensive headphones tend to be too small and are not really comfortable and do not provide a good cup or a good seal. It says PC game, deep bass for movie. I guess you're just showing the different things. It says USB plug, 3.5mm plug, PC extension cable, inline control. So the inline control looks like it has a microphone control and a plus minus on that. So let's go ahead and take a look and see what's in the box of the Xiberia V20. Open this bad boy up here. And they do have a couple different designs that I saw. One was like this camo looking design. A little bit too much for me. That's why I kind of stuck with the black one when they asked me which one I wanted to check out. So that's what I went with, but they do offer some other designs out there. So just nothing else in the box. Everything comes in this little sleeve. Got a nice little imprint, says Xiberia with the model number on it. Whoa, these are actually pretty big. These are, holy, wow. These are a lot bigger than what I expected, because typically, I use either listening back to video or if I'm just, doing stuff on the computer, I have a headset, but they're a lot smaller. But these are actually pretty cool. This is probably too big one, for, at work probably, but if you're doing stuff at home, between doing gaming and also maybe even recording videos could be really good, or just listening to music. We'll check that out too, and of course the review. So we have this covered cable that it comes with. I don't know if you can really see. It's almost like a braided cover to the cable, which is really nice, really long, tied up there. We have that inline control that they talked about. And then what else? We have the little splitter. So there's a splitter here. There's a USB. That's got the little protector on it, as well as the 1/8 inch. And that actually looks like a TRSS, which means it will work with phones and tablets as well, with a microphone and also headphones. And we'll check that out too to make sure that is the case. Little getting started guide here. Let me actually go ahead and put these on. I feel almost like a helicopter pilot or something. Oh, these are great. These, I don't know if you can see here, but let's see. So it covers my whole ear. I'm guessing I have pretty normal sized ears, but that is really comfortable, and it's pretty dampening to the sound around me, which is pretty cool. I can go ahead and check this. Roger, over Roger. And we're gonna see how that microphone actually works too. So also here in the box we have the user guide. Talks about your getting started. You can use it with PC, Mac, mobile setup, all that stuff. Looks pretty good and straightforward. Also has a little bit like troubleshooting. And then right here in this we have another little cable. Little card. Somebody checked it. Who checked it for us? QC Pass number 6 checked it for us. Thanks, number 6. And then we have another little splitter cable here too. So this is pretty cool. And that splitter cable most likely is for headphone and probably headphone and microphone, just to split it out depending if you need this jack or not. So there you go. My biggest thing, obviously, it does not come with like a little carrying case. I guess you could use this if you want. For storage, I will probably keep that. It is nicer than just like a normal, piece of paper case. White's okay. I'd like to see it maybe black too. But besides that, these are really comfortable from initial start. I can't wait to check these out. Again, this is the Xiberia Gaming Headset. This is model number V20. And thanks so much for watching. If you like these videos, make sure to like and subscribe right here. Click the little bell icon to stay, up to date with everything we release, and check out or get ready to check out the review after we have it done for this and of course many other products. I'm Alan from Damn Good Reviews. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you soon. Roger.